Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to zoom in and zoom out your screen live during screen recordings, tutorials, or even online meetings using a small and free tool called ZoomIt. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser and type ZoomIt Download in the search bar. From the results, click on the official Microsoft sysinternals link. Once the page opens, scroll down a little until you see the download button. Click on Download ZoomIt to get the file. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder. You'll find a zip file named something like zoomit.zip. Double-click to open the zip archive. Now simply drag and drop the zoomit.exe file into any location on your system like the desktop or any folder of your choice. Now, double-click on the zoomit.exe file to launch it. Good news, you only need to do this once. After that, it will automatically run in the background every time you start your PC. No need to open it again manually. Let's now understand how to control ZoomIt on your screen. Press Ctrl+1 for a basic zoom in or zoom out effect. Press Ctrl+4 for a live zoom, where you can move around the zoom screen actively. This is perfect for tutorials, online teaching, and presentations. And that's it. This is how you can enable live zooming on your screen using ZoomIt. It's lightweight, fast, and super useful during screen recordings, coding sessions, or online meetings to highlight details clearly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more such quick productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.